So welcome back to another video, Throwback Thursday. We're going to go all the way back to modern Renaissance. Yes, we are. And you know what? I've actually hit the pan on this baby, but it's been a while since I've used it. And the Anastasia brush, who needs it when I just got Sigma brushes? That's right. All right. So guess what, guys? I'm going to go in with a blending brush, and we're going to start out with warm taupe. I'm super excited. I'm using my Sigma brushes for the first time. Let's see if I can avoid the glare with using my new Jeffree Star mirror. All right. What did I say I went with? Taupe. Yeah. Good morning, Karen. Actually, it's afternoon by now. Okay. This is a nice color. This is a nice palette. I should probably use more often. But you know me. I'm in love with getting new palettes. Absolutely in love with it. You guys have not entered my giveaway. You need to do that. I have 2 giveaways, both on my Jeffree Star mystery boxes. And it's the Mini Breaker palette. And the other one is the Mini Breaker palette, and it's the lipstick. I forget, Candy something, or I don't know, it's the pink one. But yes, I saved that for somebody because I do have quite a few lip colors behind me, and I've got like tons in my room. So I really wanted to share that with you guys. I'm liking this color. It's been a while since I've used this palette. So okay, and this brush is really soft. I am really curious to see how they hold up after washing though. I am uploading a Sigma brush video, so be on the lookout for that. Oh, I need some coffee. Sorry guys, grab some coffee. I mean, it is Throwback Thursday, you know? All right, now we got a pencil brush. They call it a small tapered blending brush. Do I want to use that one in my crease? And do I want to go in with a reddish color? We do. We're going to go in with Love Letter. It's beautiful. We're going to put that right in my crease. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. See? I probably could have just used this palette and avoid spending so much money on Norvina, but you know what? Of course I was going to get the Norvina palettes. Yeah. Karen is addicted to palettes. A very expensive habit, by the way. Okay, so here I am. These brushes and the shadows are blending just beautifully. I do like the brushes, definitely. I'm just curious to see how they hold up over time. They were actually cheaper than the Jaclyn Hill Master Brush Collection. That one had 24 brushes though, and it was $165. This one was a $249 value. Jaclyn Hill's was a $264 value, but you paid $165 for her brushes. This one, what I paid, it would have been $199, but I got 50% off, so it was $99. So it was cheaper because of the code. That makes me so sad that my Jaclyn Hill brushes are falling apart. I want to go in with, what do I want to do? Do I want to cut the crease today? Do we want to do a basic eye look today? When is Karen basic? Not very often. The first brush I used with that beautiful taupe color, put back in there a little bit. My transition shade. These did blend beautifully together though. I really do like this palette. I remember why I bought it now. That's the purpose of doing these. Why did I buy that palette? Oh, now I get it. Okay, yeah. All right. Now the small short shader brush is the one I'm going with next. And I think I want to do I don't know what I want to do, actually. Do we want to cut the crease? We certainly can. But I think if I use some setting spray, I won't let go of this thing today. I don't think you're supposed to use it on camera anymore. Shh. All right. Okay. Oh, and for those of you that wanted to know about my friend that got arrested because she cut the crotch out of her boyfriend's pants, it was his personal property. So you're not allowed to destroy someone else's personal property. By the way, I'm going in with Vermeer. So unfortunately, I love her. It's sad, but yeah, she got arrested. I'm pretty sure she's out though. Somebody bailed her out. I couldn't. She was in Jersey, so. Otherwise, of course, I would have done it. Absolutely. Okay, so this is super pretty. I'm liking this a whole lot. Look how pretty that is. There's a lot of fallout. I'm not going to lie, like a lot. So I guess when you're buying Anastasia palettes, it's good to check the reviews on them because more fallout means you're going to go through it faster. But at the same time, and I've said this before, it's not a deal breaker for me because they seem to blend better when they have more fallout. And that's just what I've noticed. Okay, let's blend. Since I started to get a little messy because I was focusing on my poor friend. Justice was not served. Well, I mean, he can't wear his pants, but hopefully she won't get a record. I'm pretty sure it's a misdemeanor. I'm going back in with that reddish color. What was it? Love Letter? These brushes are really easy to use. I'm noticing that, and I'm really liking it. All right. Again, this is my first time using them, so we will see as months go on, weeks go on. I'll give you updates. I like a lot. Okay, now I want to go in with this blending E25 brush, and I'm going to put a bit of this Cypress Umber. Oh, it's a really dark, pretty brown in the corner here. And I'm just placing it there. I'm really liking that. Look how pretty. I love it. I may have to use this palette more often, although I say that every Thursday, I think, and then they go back to sitting. But an everyday look, yeah, absolutely, right? Why not? Okay, that is super pretty. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with this Sigma flat definer brush. This is one of your gotta must-haves. Absolutely. Okay, and I'm going to put it in that Cypress color. And I'm going to put it down here. Guys, I have packages coming today. I'm so excited. And I've been reading all of your comments. You guys crack me up. I'm telling you, I love all of your sweet comments. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for being a part of my life. I don't say that often enough, and I'm pretty sure I try to because I so appreciate you. Just know I so appreciate you. Okay, I hate wearing a bra. Sorry, guys, but I do. It's just super annoying. Now I'm going to take this short shader brush, and I'm going to blend this out. I probably should have taken the shimmer off of it first. but it's all right. We're doing an everyday look here. Blending nicely. Oh yeah, some fallout. Beware of the fallout. Do you want to see what the inside looks like? Yeah, fallout central. Okay. Now that I've done that, I am going to grab, I got my eyeliners, I think, back here. Do you guys want to see an empties video or a epic fail video? Because I've got a bunch of those. All right, where's my wonderful little favorites or favorites video? I've been wanting to do one and I just haven't yet. Okay, here it is, all the way in the back because I've been using it so much. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lighter, and this is in Space Dust. And I like to put it on my waterline because it brightens up that eye. I'm liking that. I like that a lot. And now it is time for some eyeliner. And you guys know I've been using the Hank & Henry. I haven't really been doing too many wings lately. Let's see. I might need this mirror to do this. Yeah, probably. Okay. Because I've been focusing on Halloween looks. And it just depends. I don't know. I have to be in the mood for it. I really do like this because of the felt tip. It just kind of blends with your eye. Okay, that's not really what I meant to say. It bends with your eye. Oh, I'm still feeling like crap. Better, but my voice is not 100% yet. This mirror is kind of dirty. Okay, so now we've got eyeliner on. I'm not sure if I want to do a wing or not, and I'm not sure if I want to darken up underneath my eye. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of connect this here. And I'm going to put a little bit of that. Actually, you know what? I think I can just drag that down. I don't even need to add any shadow. That love letter. Yeah, I can do that. Oh yeah, it went easily. Then we can follow up with some lashes, some brow bone highlights. And again, we will use, I'd have to clean it, the flat shader brush, or I can use the short shader brush for highlight, and I will go with that one because that one's easy to wipe off right now. We're going to go in with Jawbreaker, and we're going to go in with this guy here, which is Frozen Fruit. I think pink highlight will look nice. Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Jeffree Star, for the Frozen Fruit palette. I mean, the brain freeze. Oh my goodness. Karen, get your stuff together today. All right. Okay. Love, love, love. Now, I hate to say it, but my poor brush that's falling apart, the inner corner highlight brush, that is the Jaclyn Hill. I wish it was not falling apart. I'm going to go in with my inner corner highlight. Oh, hello. All right. There we go. I do like that. I like that a lot. Yes, definitely. I do want to take that tapered blending brush and I kind of want to just blend this highlight out since I extended it a little farther than the brow bone. Make sure that's good. Oh my goodness. I am going to put on some lashes and I will be back in a minute. Guys, that wraps it up for Throwback Thursday. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much. If you have not subscribed yet, I would love it if you would take a chance and stick around and see about some of the things I have to talk about. I have to review. We do unboxings, hauls, mostly eye looks, all kinds of stuff. Skincare will be coming soon, and recommendations are always welcome. I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. You all have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Mwah.